not an accident. Shane Siegley and Holly Isley both say Mr. McBride stabbed Darrell Deubel. Holly even says Mr. McBride knocked on my door and said, "Call 911. I stabbed the guy." Dwight Reel said that Mr. McBride said, "I did something I shouldn't have."
Just talk about what happened. You all have sat there and gotten to watch him. He is not a 25-year-old athlete, fit as a 25-year-old athlete would be. He's a 60-year-old crippled up old man. Here and ask you to convict this man of murder occurred on his porch. And it occurred after no less than 3 people asked this guy to leave. Asked him to leave and told him to leave. Was that in his mind, this guy bum rushed him. Now, bum rushed him to a 25-year-old athlete, and bum rushed to a 60-year-old man with one leg apparently means a different thing. But he felt threatened. He said, "The dude tried to jump on me."
He's not a 25-year-old athlete, but he's a 60-year-old man who has enough force to shove this knife into the left side of Darrell Deubel's neck for a distance of 8 inches. This is a 7-inch blade. So that extra inch, that 8-inch cut, means there was some force behind that blade when it went into that neck. And he was fit enough to do that. And I'll tell you what, this isn't self-defense for a lot of reasons. A lot of reasons. One of them is the law doesn't say you can kill somebody because you asked them to leave and they didn't. You didn't hear that in the instructions of the court. That's not the law. That's why we have phones. That's why we call police and tell them somebody's trespassing on my property. Because Larry left. Larry went back into his apartment. And you know that door locks because you saw the cops have to unlock it to go in and find where the knife was. And Larry was in his apartment. And Raven didn't come banging on the door. He didn't kick the door in. He didn't follow him in there. And then Larry put on his leg and he armed himself. And as Detective Welch says, he prepared for combat.